Rob here from Media, and in this video we're going to be using the icons element in Elementor, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello, in this video we are going to be talking about the icons element in Elementor. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. Let's go down to our icon tile then and drag that into our column. And our icon appears here. So I don't want this icon, I want something else. So we can open up our library if we click here. I want a speech bubble, so I know that if I click comment I'll get a couple up. Let's go with that one. Select it and click insert. And there we go. Just quickly then, we're going to go through content and style. We do have advanced options like margin and padding, but these options down here we aren't going to go through because they have their own separate videos. So let's go back to content then. We've got different types of views, so we've got the default here. We've also got stacked. We can't see it right now, but it essentially adds color as a background around the icon. We've also got framed, and I'm going to leave it on framed for now. We can add a link so that when people click on this icon, it can go over to another page or another website. If you are going to link it to another website, click the cog here, click open in a new window. This just means that when people are done on the website you send them to, they'll be back on your website, and that just increases your chances of getting them to contact you. You don't want to lose them as a visitor, really. We've also got add no follow options there as well. We've also got alignment left, center and right, and for now I'm going to leave it on center. That's it for content. We're going to go through the style in a moment. I'm just going to stop for a minute while you pause the video and add your own icons, play around, find the kind of icon you want to use, and then we're going to style it. So let's style our icon. So let's go to style at the top. So we've got normal and hover options here. In normal then, I want the primary color to be, actually we want it to be white. The secondary color I want it to be this orange. When we hover, and note that these options below secondary color here are not related to hover. If we click hover, these are our options here. So primary color, we want it to stay on white, and when we have it hovering, we want the secondary color to go to this green. There is a separate video, by the way, for the color picker tool. Go and have a look at that if you haven't already. It's a really useful tool and you'll use it quite a lot. Let's close this window. So we've also got some hover animations here, so we can make it grow or shrink when we hover over it. Pulse, buzz. Let's go with pulse. And let's just check this now. So let's hover our cursor over the icon, and you can see it pulses and changes color. So we can change the size of our icon as well. So we can make it quite large if we want. Let's just make it large. Padding. So this is the padding between the icon itself and the frame that you have around it. And let's just go with that and rotate. So this is just the angle that you want your icon to be at. I normally leave it on the default because the icons generally are what you want them to be. So we can adjust the border as well. So it's quite thin at the moment. Let's make it a little bit thicker. Let's go with 10, and we can change our border radius. So if we have it on 0 or 1, it's a very sharp corner, but we can increase that
like so, and have rounded corners. So if we wanted to, we could actually have one of the corners sharp. So we can unlink them like this. We can go to our right corner here and enter 0. So the top right corner, as you can see, has gone sharp. And you play around with that if you like. So I'm going to also do that to the left one. And we've got 2 sharp corners and 2 rounded corners. So that is it for the style of the icon. And that's it for the video as well. So when you're finished, don't forget to click the green update button. And we will see you in the next video.